I love for the applause, applause, applause. I love for the applause, applause. I've received some requests from fans for some private advice, and I thought that their questions were so great that I would share them with all of you honey buns. So let's get started. We've got a bunch of questions from a Jenny W. from Kansas. What should I say if he asks me to incorporate cheese into our sexy time? This is a very, very tricky question because you really need to take a few things into account. Number one, are you a cannibal? Are you a meat eater? Are you a vegetarian or are you a vegan? Because if you are a vegetarian or vegan, you're going to ask him if it's okay if it's cashew cheese or something. If you are a carnivore, then you're probably going to want to ask him if he could just stick with easy squeeze cheese because you want it to be able to get off your body fairly easily. And since easy squeeze cheese isn't really cheese at all, it'll be perfect. And it's got easy application in a little thingy. I would say stay away from blue cheese. Is it okay to just wear a towel to the mall? Yes. Duh. It's absolutely okay to just wear a towel to the mall. It's the sexiest thing you could possibly do. First of all, it's not very normal. Second of all, this is going to make the man go crazy because it shows that you are original. If I get sick and projectile vomit all over him at a restaurant, should I apologize or accuse him of poisoning me? This depends. If he bought you that meal, I would definitely sue his brains out. For reals, I would. I'd be like, yo, you did this to me. But if he didn't buy it, I'd just say apologize and you know, cover up your face and leave the restaurant as quickly as possible. And then, you know, you might want to hide in a hole for a few weeks. We have a question from Mr. E.Z. from Indiana. Let's hear it.
I'm like a big fan of your show. Is a perm a good idea if I really want to look like a poodle?
Yes, I think you should absolutely get a perm if you want to look like a poodle. I'm not really sure what you're trying to attract with this poodle hair, but I think that it would probably be advantageous for you if you had a perm, because at the very least, it would be a talking point for sexy people. And here we have a question from Marie K. of St. Louis, Mo. Let's hear it.
Hi, Matilda. Do you have any seductive cooking tips? My boyfriend's coming over for dinner and I need them ASAP.
Oh, this is a good one because there's a lot of sexy things that can go down during cooking time. For instance, you are making steak. First thing I would do is I would dangle that steak right in front of him, just like you guys saw in my lumberjack episode. They will always follow the meat wherever it goes. So if you really want to steal a kiss or something, just dangle some steak right over near your ear and be like that. Maybe you could take a can of whipped cream and make a face on his face with the whipped cream and then lick it off like a dog. I bet that'll really turn him on. If any other fans have great, amazing questions for me about their sexy lives, feel free to send them to Matchmaking with Matilda. Facebook me, Instagram cracker me, twat me, all that jazz. Happy hunting. Let's for the applause, applause, for the applause, applause.